Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this product from the brand Kiss Smink, and it's called The Everything, which I'm so intrigued by. It's these adorable cream sticks that are vegan, paraben, phthalate, and gluten-free, never tested on animals. And I got these in my recent PR haul, so if you haven't seen that unboxing video, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But of course, I love to give a disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free, which these were. This is not a sponsored video, but I am so excited to play around with these and find out the different uses. I got them in the shade Tulum, which looks so beautiful, this peachy pink tone. And I also got the shade Split, which is such a gorgeous magenta. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. But looking this up online, I saw that it comes in a bunch of different shades. There's like a clear shade for, like a face, body, shimmer, really anywhere, and more like bronzy shades. I am so excited to try these out on my lips, cheeks, eyes, everywhere, because that's what you can do with these. But before I even apply it, let's go ahead and do a little swatch. I think I'm just gonna draw it on as a swatch. Oh my gosh, I love this color, and I love how it has a metallic reflective sheen that is so beautiful. That was the shade called Tulum, and now I'm going in with the shade called Split. My gosh, I love it. I love a metallic, shiny makeup product, and also I love a gorgeous pink shade, and that's exactly what I'm getting from both of these. Look at how pretty. Oh, I'm so excited to put these on my face. So, I'm just gonna kind of play around with how to apply these. First, I'm gonna take the shade Split and apply it to my lips. I wasn't sure if I was going to need to use my finger or a brush to apply it to my lips, but actually it applies super easily right from the stick. I love this color. It almost comes across as a tinted lip balm, but with a metallic sheen. Oh, that looks so pretty. Okay, maybe I'll stick with the shade Split, and this time picking some up with my finger. Very creamy formula. I want to apply a little to the eye. I love a bright pink on the eye. I'm kind of going to do half the eyelid in this darker pink, and then we'll do the inner half in the other shade. But also curious how it looks as a blush. So I'm just going to use my finger again. I could probably apply it directly to my cheek, but I don't want to go too overboard. So, ooh, I actually love when the lip and the cheek and even the eye are all matching in a cohesive look. And this is such a nice cream blush, very blendable, sits so nicely on the skin, and it doesn't actually have much metallic or shimmer or sheen to it. I think if I layered it up some more, it probably could have more glow to it, but since this is more of a darker shade, I don't want to go too overboard. Maybe I'll just do a little dot. I just love this color so much. But since it does have that little bit of sheerness, like I was saying, it's a really perfect cream blush formula. I do have my dampened makeup sponge here that I'm just going to perfect the edges a little bit, blend it out. This is seriously such a fun product. I love a multitasking product, makes it travel friendly, easy. So now moving on to the shade called Tulum, I am going to pick a little bit up on my finger and also apply this to the lips, but just apply it to the center and do a little ombre. So pretty to use these as basically tinted shimmery lip balms because it feels so comfortable and moisturizing on my dry lips, which I love. That is so fun. Okay, now let's move on to the cheek. I'm just gonna do a few little dots and blend it out. My cheeks already have a lot of redness to them right now. I think maybe from the heat or being out in the sun a little bit more lately. But this is a really pretty, more toned down peachy blush than the shade Split. So I personally will probably use this shade, the lighter shade, as my blush more often, just because this one gives a little bit too much redness to my skin tone, but still such a pretty color. Now let's see how this is on the eyes. I will say there is creasing happening with this creamy formula on the eyelids. So pretty. This one's pretty, but definitely not as pigmented as the other shade already on my lids. So this kind of just gives a little bit of sheen, a little sparkle to the lid. Or not even sparkle, just that metallic finish. But since it does crease on my eyelids, I'm not so sure that I'll be using this much on my eyelids, but that's okay. I still have some really great uses for these on my lips and cheeks, which I really love them for. I may have forgotten to mention that these retail for $20 each, which, you know, in my book, that is pricey, but when you can get multiple uses out of a product, I think that really helps with a higher price point and getting your money's worth. But I really am surprised by how good this looks on my lips because I've never really had much luck with a cream blush, even those multitasking type products, looking so good and smooth and hydrating on my lips. But this really does. I am very happy with the formula of this on my lips and my cheeks as well. And I love pink, so I really like the look I have going on right now with the coordinating lips, cheeks, and eyes. I just think that is such a fun look. But let me know in the comments down below if you've tried these products or products like them and what your favorite uses are. If you've tried them in other ways than what I've tried today, I would love to hear about that in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.